and welcome to today's Speaker Card reading. Today's topic is compliments men secretly give you but behind your back. For that, as usual, we have three piles. Pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Your each and every comment, like, subscription makes such a difference to me. Now, let's get started. Hello, hello, pile one. Let's see the compliments men give you behind your back. Okay, the first one is communication. I'm seeing you have a natural gift of the gab. You have a very deep mind, and men notice that about you, that this is a person when they speak everybody listens. You have your speeches tend to have that captivating power. There is this captivating power about you. You are also a very balanced person. See the way in which this crow is balancing itself in a windy day on a thin rope. You are that kind of a person who can be very diplomatic. A lot of you could be into civil service and government jobs and government services, somewhere where your a mediator, where your diplomatic skills would be needed, and men really compliment you on that. Men really find your diplomatic skills, your communication skills really, really attractive. You're also a very insightful person, very deep, very knowledgeable, very wise, very driven. You are a person who has grown wiser with experience. See this crow, it's throwing the pebbles inside because there is this prawn in here. I hope it's visible, so that the water level, if it can throw in more pebbles, the water level would rise, and hence it could get hold of the prawn that it wants. Literally, you are also somebody who can persevere for better chances. You are a person who looks at life like, for you life is like a chess game. You are willing to wait for in order to get better chance at life. Door opportunities are waiting for you. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person for whom literally you create your own opportunity. Men compliment you, are so driven about life, about your career. If something closes on your face, you don't really mind much. You try to open the better next door for yourself. You create your own opportunities, temporary problems. You know what? You have a very strong problem solving skills. A lot of you could be like into the judiciary and law enforcements for sure. Like, you solve other people's problems, so clearly a lot of you could also be related to the judiciary. Yes, like divorce litigation cases. Yeah, you're very wise, very balanced, good communication. A lot of lawyers and paralegals can be seen, but that's just one part of it. You could be a very balanced teacher, a very balanced professor, a very balanced cardiac surgeon, or a very balanced techie. Also, yeah, you could be at the managerial posts at your work, like, team leads, where you have to balance between a lot of other people. You have natural leadership qualities about you, which men compliment you on. Pleasure with a good friend, close friend. Literally, you are a pleasure to talk to. You are a very good friend. You are a very, like a dog, you are a very loyal. They compliment you on being a very loyal and faithful friend. They treasure your friendship. A meeting with a stranger could be important. A lot of you, literally, I'm seeing you guys started your own entrepreneurial journey, or you got your latest job by like a chance. Like, you by chance you met with a stranger and they offered you a job, and that has really, really worked out in your favor. That kind of a situation for a lot of you, I can see. And men really, really appreciate that. Men compliment you on the fact that you can convince a stranger about giving you a job, a better opportunity. Like a stranger can also trust you. You can literally, you have such communication skills, who can sell ice this to the Eskimos and make them feel that they have made a gain, a profit out of it. Broom, new home, new attitude. A lot of you have bought your first home or first car. Some like first time in life kind of milestones. Also, I'm seeing you guys have changed in the last few years. You guys have shape shifted into a much higher vibrational version of yourself, and men are noticing that. People are noticing that and appreciating that you guys have leveled up in life at last. You have a lot to do. You are really like sorted in life today. Disappointment in some affair, absolutely. There was a time when you were so disappointed with life in general, like you just didn't want to improve your own self. There was a phase when you felt like, okay, my life is over and stuff like that. Like, how can it get better? Felt that probably nothing will get better. But from there, things changed. Tower, solid foundation, success with effort. Literally, a lot of you went through the tower moments, and that gave you the foundation, that created the foundation of your success. Like it's your own efforts that has created your own success in your life. All right, guys, up until now, I hope you like my content. If so, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe and share and comment. You could also support me through joining the membership of my channel. Your support means the world to me, guys. Valley, deep personal strength and peace that assure success. Men also complement your emotional strength. Men feel that you are emotionally a very strong, somebody who can foresee the future, somebody who has the maturity to look into the future and gauge it as well. You are being seen as such. Three of Wands, you tend to stand out in the crowd very easily. You are a person, who is being seen as self made, somebody who has created their own direction in life. You are a very self made person, and men also notice that, you are a complete arm candy. Looker, good looks at the same time, good, like stellar achievements. That's the combination I can see. Queen of Swords, don't you dare lower your voice for anyone. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who does not dare to lower their voice. Literally, who does not literally believe in lowering their voice. You are a person who has the guts to stand up and speak their truth, speak their mind. You are a person who does not, you do not give 2 cents to what others think. You are a person who knows what is right for them to do. I'm seeing you are a person who is extremely you do not believe in dimming your light for others. You get a lot of attention the moment you enter the room. That is something that men are really, you are a very attractive persona. You have a very feisty, fiery kind of an attitude. You are a go-getter. If you put your mind to something, you're very innovative, a go-getter, goal oriented, target oriented kind of a person. That's what men compliment you on. Yes. Knight of Swords, be ambitious, chase your every dream. Literally, you are like this person who is very ambitious, somebody who is literally chasing after their dreams. You are a person who is a firm believer in their dreams. You have a lot of faith and assurance in your own dreams, and you believe that, if I put in the right kind of work, things will work out in my favor. Light a fire underneath your cauldron and go, go, go. Yeah, you're very driven, extremely proactive, very productive, very driven. Like you get up in the morning and start running towards your goals. You don't sit there contemplating, going, scrolling through social media. You're not one of those people mostly. Like you know exactly, you're very sorted what you need to do this day, and you just go about your day accordingly. Knight of Pentacles, slowly but surely, you guys are going places. Literally, I'm seeing you are going places in life. You are somebody who is really, you're moving ahead in life. You guys are achieving success in life. Like men literally notice that this is a person In under whatever circumstances, you always tend to take one step towards your goal all the time. You're very focused and goal oriented. That's the compliment you receive. Eight of Swords, stop overthinking and do it. Literally, you're very action oriented, very driven and action oriented. You don't think too much, you just do it. You are like, you're all about act, of course. Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. You know, a number eight typically tells me a scorpionic energy it gives. What I'm seeing is you are a person. Eight of Pentacles is a person who is a very hardworking one, very hardworking, disciplined, driven, focused kind of a person who is a complete workaholic, and men really compliment you. Have achieved whatever you have with your own hard work and determination. You have a never, with the Six of Swords, you have never gonna give up kind of an attitude. You have a lot of Virgo. I'm seeing Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, like earth and fire signs mostly. What I'm seeing is you have this like this mindset of not gonna give up, like this tortoise in the face of severe impediments. When life tests you to such an extent, you can maintain your calm and work through the problems. You can literally, you do not let life dictate you. You dictate life like a boss. You are the one who dictates life and not the other way around. That's what men, like men are flabbergasted seeing how confidently you tend to steer your way out of the problems. In a shark infested water, you are a fantastic swimmer. Nine of Wands, it would take a hell of a lot more to defeat you. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who cannot be defeated easily. You are a person who is almost indefeatable, somebody who is comfortable with the uncomfortable. You have a lot of survival skills about you. Like, you know how to survive the toughest of situations. Yeah, you have literally climbed your way up. You have been very smart. Most of you could be academically blessed, one of those people who literally you barely could study. A lot of you are actually coming from very humble background, but your with your like academic aptitude, you applied it, or your smartness, you guys applied it to reach the top, like always getting scholarships, going to the right college, and those kind of situations. I'm seeing getting the right kind of degrees. A lot of you are techies or on the STEM fields and economics, and there is no bias here. What I'm seeing is you always knew exactly what to do in order to reach your goals. A lot of people, men, might also call you a little bit opportunistic, but yeah, that's on the shadow side. But what I'm seeing, okay, King of Swords and Wands both. So literally, you know what, I'm seeing a lot of power, success, but at the same time, you use your power in order to uplift others. Men literally look up to you. A lot of them literally feel inferior to you. They just feel that, you know what, they are probably not just good enough for a person like you. That is something, that's a compliment. Like, they are way out of our league. Most men around you probably think that way. The World card, yay, you did it. Now do something to celebrate a job well done. Literally, you are a person who, like, you have achieved a lot. Like, men see you as a winner. You're being seen as that achiever, somebody who struggled. Nothing was served on a platter to you, but you guys persevered and have at last won in life. Sage, be devoted and committed. You are actually a very devoted and committed kind of a person. You are somebody who is like this scent, somebody who is extremely committed towards their goals, somebody who is extremely committed towards their work in general. Cat. It's time to strike out on your own and relinquish your overdependency on others. Men also compliment you on the fact that you're very self reliant, extremely self reliant, very popular, very strong in character. You don't need a shoulder to cry on. Instead, you tend to become that shoulder that people can cry on. You respect a lot of command. Balance spirituality and practicality. Pisces, full moon. Pisces can be significant for a lot of you. You like, you have the perfect balance between spirituality and practicality. You have that perfect balance between that. You are both spiritual as well as pragmatic in nature. Falcon, act on the opportunity that's before you and commit to it without equivocation. You are a person who is like, you have a sense of like your opportunity. You are very, like, exactly how to find this. You're very quietly observant, especially when it comes to your own stuff. You know how to climb the ladder, how to find those gaps in the market. Literally, I'm getting a lot of people might on a shadow side, some men getting jealous and calling you opportunistic, shady, and stuff like that. But what I'm seeing is you are somebody who is very good at finding the gaps in the market and try to fill that in. Mountain goat, of course, mountain goat is a Capricorn. A lot of you could be Capricorns. There is not something out of balance in your life, so do whatever you need to correct it. Literally, you're one of those people who would do anything in order to reach that mountain of success. You don't let any kind of hindrance or impediment come your way, come what may. Be brave and honest. Night can, okay, literally, you are being seen. Men compliment you on your bravery, your honesty. You have that backbone to stand up and say that, you know what, this is not the right thing, that is the right thing, etc. Make plans and focus. You are somebody who is extremely focused, very plan oriented, somebody who is very strategic, somebody who knows, who is a very good planner in general. Blue Heron, make a stand for what you believe in and do what feels right in spite of any judgment or disapproval from others. Literally, you have the guts to stand up and speak your truth. Even if you feel like in this today's cancel culture and trolling culture, you might get trolled brutally, people might call you names at face, but still, you have the guts to speak up, and men compliment you on that. Trust your instincts to discern the truth of the situation. I'm seeing you are somebody who is extremely intuitive. Your instincts, your gut feelings are usually very strong. You're very, like, as I said, there is a perfect balance of spirituality and pragmatism in you. That's something that men really, really compliment you on. Ladybug, it's time of good fortune and abundance. So be willing to receive all good things in your life. Literally, I'm seeing the good fortune part. Literally, you guys are meant for bigger things. That's what men feel. Storm, every hurricane comes to an end. Men literally feel this way. Like, you have faced a lot of storms in life, but what you have learned is, like every good thing, every bad thing also comes to an end, and there will be, like, at the darkest, I mean, before just the crack, the dawn cracks open, it's at its darkest. The night is darkest at that point. Dragons slay them all. You guys have slayed, like, you have that courage. Literally, this girl has prosthetic fit and she is going there to slay the dragons. You have the guts to do the same. You're very courageous, and men compliment you on that. You can be your own knight. Literally, you're one of those people who does not need any knight in shining armor. Pile one, time for the charms. All right. You are a unicorn. The compliments you receive is you are very magical, you're very unique. You're also very, very rare. You hold the key to your destiny. You are like a cat who is very self reliant. Also, you are somebody who has got a very self reliant and a very spiritual aura to you. You guys are very psychic as well. What I'm seeing is, I hope it's visible, a lot of these men are actually crushing on you for sure. It shows good fortune, men also feel that you have been fortunate. But let me tell you, for good luck and fortune, I feel you guys are reaping the benefits of your own hard work that you've done in the past. All right, you are a heartbreaker. Really, a lot of men are crushing on you right now. You have a very warm, vivacious, energetic energy about you. You are the star. Like, moment with these two energies, moment you enter the room, you have that captivating power in you who can actually draw all the attention towards your own self. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. Guys, if yes, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile two. Let's see the compliments men tend to give you behind your back. For that, first of all, the freedom. You are a person, you know what? Men feel that you are a free spirited person. You are an emancipated soul. You are somebody who literally knows their own mind really well. Somebody who cannot be controlled by others. Somebody who has a mind of their own, and you function from that perspective. Direction. Yeah, you know what, you know exactly where your life is headed towards. You have a sense of direction, you have a sense of purpose in your life. You live a very purposeful life. That's what men feel, that this is a person who is very mature, evolved, somebody who knows what they are doing with their life currently. Yeah, you know what? You have really also, what men think is, you have leveled up in life. You are somebody who is constantly in a growth mode. Constantly you're trying to grow and evolve in your life. That is something that men really compliment you on. That this is a person who has a lot of things that are going on in their lives. A stubborn, aggressive person. You are somebody, you know, a lot of you could be an Aries, a Capricorn, also Leos and Sagittarius, somebody who is very stubborn, very obstinate. You know how to stand your ground. At the same time, you're very active, very, you know, aggressive, in the sense you are very proactive. If you put your mind to something, you know how to pursue your dreams and goals. You're very like you're very sure about your dreams and goals in life, and you know how to focus on them, how to pursue them with full confidence. Unicorn. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes. You are a person, a unicorn is a person who is very unique. Somebody, you know, it's a rare imaginary animal, right? People, men literally feel that you are a rare species, very rare and unique person. Somebody who has, like, you know, your intuition is also on point. You, a lot of you have a very strong magical creative side to your persona as well, and men appreciate that a lot. Compliments from an admirer. You have a lot of admirers. I'm seeing you guys are very attractive people, very strong, attractive, driven, focused. These are the compliments in, like, in general you get from men. Work, achievement, success. Literally, you are somebody who can work very diligently, like an ant, working very diligently towards your goals and achieving the success. Like, you know, working day and night, putting your day and night, like, totally blood and sweat into something, into your goals, and achieving them at the same time. And, like, then celebrating, like, you, the success that you have achieved was not served to you on a platter, and men appreciate that. Men recognize that about you, that this is a very hard earned success in your life. Dolphin. Financial gain, usually coming from something you did in the past. You know what? I'm seeing you guys, a lot of you are going through a growth phase, and like literally an upgradation in your lifestyle. Everything is happening because of all the seeds that you have sown in the past. You are literally going through a harvest mode. You guys are harvesting whatever you have sown earlier. Whatever you have sown, you are reaping those benefits today. Will indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. Literally, I'm seeing you are somebody who, you have been through a phase where you are totally indecisive. You didn't know where your life was headed towards. A lot of you were stuck in that confusion, in that vicious cycle of overthinking and procrastination, and maybe, the imposter syndrome, some kind of food addiction, of some addiction of some sort, your own vices. Excuse me, your own vices were actually pulling you back. But today I'm seeing you guys have overcome, most of you have overcome most of your vices. A lot of us, including myself, we have been through phases where we would use food in order to get rid of our problems, as like self medicating with food. A lot of us have done that. I'm just readjusting the camera a little bit. Yes, but you have gotten way better. You are now in a way better shape and form in your life. Elephant. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Literally, I'm seeing you guys, you have been through a long process, a long journey in life, both ups and downs, where you literally overthought things, you procrastinated, you didn't know what was, like, a lot of you had moderate amount of success during that time period, but you were not sure whether it was a fluke. Most of you actually thought that whatever success I'm having is something that I do not deserve. I am having it because by some kind of a fluke. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Right. Your comments, your subscription, your likes, everything, it means so much to me. It motivates me a lot. But increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. Literally, I'm seeing you are somebody who is extremely, like, you have no problem putting yourself into through that hard work which is needed, that daily grind which is needed in order to hit the success, the amount of success that you aspire to achieve in life. And men notice that, men compliment you on the fact that you are willing to put yourself through so much in order to achieve the success. Basket, recognition, reward for merit. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who is getting recognized at last for your merit. And men, literally what you get is, you get admiration, not just for your attractiveness but for the work, the value that you bring on table. A lot of you could be very good administrators, a lot of you could be very good leaders, a very good team player, very good coordinators, and you bring that, a very good coder, a very good teacher, and you guys bring a lot of value on table, and men recognize that. Taught spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Literally, a lot of you have a very deep spiritual leaning, like that you have a very deep spiritual leaning. And what I'm saying is, you're very aware, very enlightened, you know you are a very awakened soul in general. Temperance, let go of self imposed limitations. What I'm seeing is, you are somebody who has been there, who have been stuck in that cycle of self imposed beliefs and limitations. And today you have learned to let go of all of that and move ahead and move forward in life. That is something, like, you are a person who has at last become free. You have emancipated yourself from your self imposed cage of your own. Knight of Pentacles, you are somebody who is, like, you're very driven, extremely focused, and extremely driven about your goals. You are somebody who is extremely driven, very focused. You know exactly what you're like, what you want out of your life. That is something that I am like, men really compliment you on, that this is a person who is very goal oriented, somebody who is very ambitious. A lot of you are very creative about achieving your goals and very hard headed about your success as well. Seven of Pentacles, nurture what you have and see how it grows and grows. Literally, first of all, you are a very nurturing and caring type of person. A lot of you have been entrepreneur who started their journey, their company from nowhere. A lot of people, literally, you starting your company from the back of your garage, from there nurturing it to till it becomes a larger, like a significant amount of size, till it comes to that kind of a size. You nurture it, that kind of a situation. I can see you are, a lot of you are like business owners and entrepreneurs who started it literally from their backyard and have grown it to a considerable size. You know what? There was a time when you literally felt like everything is. You literally were very indecisive, maybe not depressed, but very dejected, very disillusioned, very distracted. All the three Ds, not depressed, but dejected, disillusioned, and distracted. But you didn't know, like, you felt like all the doors have closed on my face. What can I do now with my life? And during those times only, universe offered you something which was totally unexpected. A lot of you went through some unexpected positive changes. That is what I'm seeing. And that is still, you're still reaping the benefits of those unexpected positive blessings. Ace of Wands. Don't you see how your passion makes you glow? You guys are glowing with success. You guys are glowing with positivity and success for sure. The Magician. You guys, you know what? A lot of you are literally, the Magician is the, you know, has all the four elements of nature. It's the, he or she is literally the alchemist of their own destiny. You are the magic manifester of your own destiny. That's what men feel, that this is a person who can literally intend and create. You just don't need to do anything else. If you put your mind to something, they just, you can hold it in your hand. Remember, the Magician has infinite amount of potential. Men also feel that way about you. There is a spiritual and earthly connection. There is a, like a balance in you between spirituality and pragmatic earthly things, the mundane things, the spiritual and earthly connection is also there in a Magician. Typically, you are a person who has a balance between yin and yang a lot. Like, you have both spirituality and pragmatism in you. Regular church goer, just giving an example, who is also a very good entrepreneur. That kind of a cutthroat entrepreneur at the same time, a very good a volunteering, like church going kind of a person. King of Wands, shine your inner candlelight bright enough for others to follow. Literally, you are somebody who is very knowledgeable. Your knowledge shines through, shines brightly. Guys, what I'm seeing is you have so much knowledge about yourself that people are flabbergasted, that oh my goodness, this person is so knowledgeable, this person knows so much about so many things. You are somebody who is respected by one and all. You are somebody whom people tend to look up to big time. Seven of Swords, you are also a very, very calculating kind of a person. You know what? You are a very calculating person. You are somebody who is very patient, who has patiently waited for their time to come. You're one of those people who believes that do your work and you will also be given a chance by life. That kind of a person you are, very patient, very driven, but like a lot of people might actually call you an opportunistic person, but you are somebody who is very intelligent, very smart at spotting the opportunities in life. And you're also, you know what, you would make a very good parent. You're very good with kids. Men really notice that. A lot of them actually would love to have a family with you if you are single or available. Like, having said that, a lot of them would love to have a family with you, because you are, if you identify as a female, you would make a fantastic mother to their kids. That kind of a person you are. You're very good with kids and small animals. You know what, you guys are living a very abundant life. You might tell me, no, 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 I need to have a long way to go. I have a long way to go. Absolutely, no doubt about it. But you know what, when you compare your current life to the one you were living 5 years back, there is an upgradation, and that's what it is. That's what life is all about. Ten of Wands. You are a very responsible person. You are somebody who has always been very practical and responsible in nature. You are a person who knows exactly what your like what you need to do when. Very practical, very responsible. You know, you are one of those people go to when they are in like an urgent situation. They are going through some emergency, they need an immediate solution. People go to you. Wheel of Fortune. Yes, you have turned the wheels of destiny in your favor. Literally, the wheels of fate, wheels of destiny has turned in your favor for a lot of you. You guys have really changed your fate in general. Ten of Pentacles. Having it all looks different to everybody. You know, I'm saying for a lot of you, you could actually be a loner, or a lot of Aquarian vibes. Like, you could be very out of the box kind of a thinker. Not for everybody is like celebrating with friends. Your friends could be like cats and dogs and kittens and pups, and you could be celebrating your life with them. Maybe with homeless kids. For a lot of you, like, I'm seeing a lot of you tend to attract to connect with nature, tend to connect with nature very easily. You guys are pretty unpredictable of sort. There is some kind of mystery. You guys are also very compassionate individuals who tend to connect with street kids and you know, poor kids and small animals very easily, and men compliment you on that. A lot of you could also be loners, or where like loners, you didn't have a lot of support growing up, so maybe you can connect with this kinds and like people and animals under similar conditions more. King of Pentacles. True success isn't just about money, it's about happiness too. You are somebody, you know what? True success is not just about money, it's about happiness too. You are somebody who is, you know, I'm seeing like you are a successful person in a lot of ways, which is just beyond money. Your own home, your own shop, it's just one part. A lot of you are living a very abundant life. That's what men notice about you. That's what men, and you have created this life of abundance for yourself on your own. On your own, you guys have created this. Four of Pentacles. You are a person who has literally, you have seen so much of money trouble at one point that you have gotten really, really wise with money. You do not believe in squandering money away at all. You believe in saving that money. You believe, you are a person who knows like what importance that money holds. Like, if that, like, it's two in hand is better, like one in hand is better than two in the bush. You are that kind of a person who is like, you do not believe in flushing your money down the toilet. Instead, you have got a lot of financial wisdom, not just knowledge, and not a lot of wisdom. A lot of you probably even invest in things like stocks and trades and cryptos and stuff like that. So, and men really compliment your financial wisdom. Queen of Wands. Replace your self doubt with self confidence. You are a person who has traveled a long way emotionally. There has been a long shift that has happened from a place where you didn't know like where you were at, and you have come a long way. Today, you are a very confident individual, somebody who has a sense of identity. You have a very strong sense of identity about your own self. Page of Cups. Let yourself be continually surprised by this thing called life. You believe in living life to the fullest. A lot of you could be like solo travelers getting into some adventure sports. For you, life is like an adventure. It's like a book with every page. You turn every page, there is something new, something better, something like more better, which is awaiting you in the next page. That kind of a person you are, and men really compliment you on that. Scorpio can be significant for a lot of you. Work through your fears. You are somebody who have faced their fears head on. You are somebody who has literally, once we face our fears, we become emotionally very strong. And that is something that is indicated in your case. You are almost like you're not scared of anything or anybody anymore. Unleash the wild within, she wolf. You are literally like a lone wolf. Somebody, you have a very intimidating aura about you. People find you very intimidating yet very attractive. There is something very intimidating yet very attractive about you. Step out of your comfort zone. Absolutely, you have got no problem pushing yourself totally out of your comfort zone in order to achieve the success that you're achieving today. Take charge with authority. You are a person who has literally, you guys have a lot of leadership qualities about you. You guys are born leaders. You walk the talk. You do, like, you literally lead by an example. Like, I'm seeing a lot of people actually looking up to you because you set such strong examples. You guys are such strong individuals in general. That's how men look at you. Wolverine, you're a lot tougher than you think you are. Absolutely, you are a very tough person. Emotionally speaking, very, very tough. Men compliment you that, you know what, you don't even understand how tough you are. That's what men feel about you. That's the compliment they give. Cheetah, get clear on your intentions, stay focused, and move quickly to achieve your goals. You are like a cheetah who can quietly, you know, create, like, pinpoint their prey, their target, and move swiftly towards their goals. You are like that kind of a person. Somebody who can navigate the shark infested waters on their own. Thorns weave together the crown you deserve. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you are literally like, you have woven together the crown of, like, when life has given you the thorns, you have woven together the crown of success, crown of glory for yourself. That's what I'm seeing. And that is something that men very, very much appreciate about you. Make the change. I'm seeing a lot of you have made a lot of change about their lives. You guys have changed a lot. You guys have literally transformed yourself. And as they say, moment we change our own perception, sense of self, a lot of things around us tend to also change. That is exactly what has happened in your case. Like, you guys have transformed yourself, and as a result, everything about you, around you, the way in which people look at you has also changed. Your potential is endless. Literally, people feel that you have a lot of potential about you. You have a lot of untapped potential. That's what men feel. Take control, take yourself out on a date. You're a very, very, very resilient and a very, secure kind of a person who is totally all right. Like, in this today's very hyper connected world, you don't need others to lean on. You can be on your own and be totally happy about it. Pile 2, regarding the compliments. Clearly, a lot of you tend to embody a lot of masculine qualities in you. A lot of you have a lot of hidden both admirers. At the same time, a lot of you have hidden friends and foes, enemies and admirers both. You guys are very wise, like this wise, wise owl. You are very wise. You are an emancipated soul. Wow, congratulations, pile to you guys. You have been through a lot, but you are a free spirited person, a star. You are shining brightly. You know what? Wow, Shah, a star, diamond, both like men think of you as an uncut diamond. A lot of you could be literally on the road, eh? You love to travel, you travel and stay at different places, and you tend to move around a lot. Also, what I'm seeing is a lot of you are into some kind of sports, you practice sports. Also, a lot of queen and king energy. Like, you guys are literally owning your stuff in general. That's what I'm seeing. A lot of confidence, capability, conquering the territory, that a queen and king energy in general. All right, guys, I hope you have had some uh, clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see the compliments men secretly give you behind your back. All right. The first one is the grief. Clearly, I'm seeing you've been through some major tower moments. The crows are known for more community based animals. They have a group system. They mourn the death of one fellow of the group in a very organized manner. I'm seeing you have felt like being literally betrayed by your own organization. A lot of you, by your own people, you have felt really betrayed, being betrayed by them. Like, those people who were supposed to be by your side did not stand up for you. That kind of betrayal I'm sensing. A lot of you literally moved away, physically moved away. Some of you actually emotionally cut cords with your past and those people. Like, emotional, like, a lot of you probably have been away from your family as well. You have a discord. There are things you felt were like, very toxic, maybe relationship with siblings, sadly for some of you, with your friends and families. And I'm seeing literally, there is a time when we feel that, what, it's over, we are done, and let's now just give ourselves a new chance at life. That's what you guys have done to your own self, and I'm seeing you guys are doing a fantastic job. Abundance. You are a person, literally, I'm seeing abundance in your life. You are a person who is extremely abundant. Like, from grief to abundance, it's a journey of transformation, and men compliment you on that. Butterfly, a change for the better. You are somebody who is like, you like a butterfly, from a caterpillar to a butterfly. It's a story of growth and transformation. Just the same way, you guys have been through some major, major transformations in your own life. Like, today, you do not let others dictate you. Today, you no longer let others like mistreat you in one way or the other. Earlier, you would probably, those people who transgress the boundaries, you would accept them. Today, you do not do that anymore. Romance in the air. I'm seeing a lot of the men are actually attracted towards you. You are like very conventionally. I'm seeing, a voluptuous body, wavy or curly hair, darker eyes, dark color hair, like compared to your ethnicity. That's like a place and ethnicity. It's a subjective, like ethnicity based thing. And tanned complexion, olive or tan complexion, beautiful almond shaped eyes, gorgeous eyes, like watery eyes. For a lot of you, could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, that I'm hearing. Leg. You are a head turner. You are a head turner, like very ethereal. Literally, men mostly feel that they are like, you guys are cut out of a completely different cloth, stepping into a new experience. You guys are those people who have literally, you have stepped into, like, you are an adventure seeker. You are somebody who is not afraid to embrace the new, who is not afraid to embrace the change, the massive change. You are on the road to success, mountain road. A lot of you guys are literally, you know what I'm seeing is you guys are climbing your road to success. A lot of you could be Virgos, a lot of you could be Capricorn and Taurus. Men compliment you on your grit, your perseverance, your fortitude, your never say die attitude. Men compliments you on all of this, and secretly they also feel that, you got lucky in certain cases. Yeah, you worked hard, but you also got lucky. Triumph over obstacles. Yes, you have faced obstacles, you have faced those tower moments, and probably, since life has shown you quite an amount of grief, at a certain point life has also offered you a lot of, like, positive things in, like, life has also offered you a lot of positive outcomes in general, and in need of help, assistance and guidance. Literally, you are somebody who is, like, you act as a guiding light for a lot of people today. You know what, you have been there, like, you realize that when life gets difficult, like, especially financially, like, a lot of you have spent several days or months on the end in your car because you didn't have that roof over your head. You didn't know where your next meal would come from. A lot of you have faced this kind of days in your life, and you understand and realize what that means, and you also try to extend your hand of assistance to those who are in need. Owl, good advice from a wise person. Owl, like, you are a very wise person. You are somebody whom people tend to go to. You are emotionally a very evolved, enlightened kind of a person. That's what men feel about you. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, like, comment. If you like the content, then it tells the algorithm that, it's something that you find useful, A, and B, it really, your each and every subscription, comment, like, they motivate me so much. So please, please, please help me grow my channel. Diamond, right. You will be receiving or giving a precious gift. Maybe some of them are actually wanting to propose to you. Maybe you guys are seeing each other and somebody is, I'm getting like somebody is willing to propose to, or maybe somebody whom, like, you are not even aware of, or maybe in your friend group who, like, literally want to propose to you straight away. That is one thing. Also, what men feel about you is you are an uncut diamond. You are a diamond in the rough. That's how men feel about you. Bo, you are highly thought of. You are somebody, men tend to very highly think of you. Men tend to admire you. The greed, the elegance, everything, like greed, elegance, perseverance, everything that you bring on table, men really appreciate that a lot. Crown, honor and respect will come to you. Literally, what I'm seeing is you are a person, you know you guys are getting a lot of respect. You have earned this respect for yourself. You have been through a transformation. Number 13 can be significant for a lot of you, for birth number, birth dates, or like life path number. But what I'm seeing is, the death card shows transformation. You guys have been through some major transformation. Like, literally, people from your past cannot can no longer literally recognize you. Nine of Swords. We all get a bit carried away with our worries sometimes. Literally, it was so bad at times that it still gives you nightmares. It still keeps you up at night that it was that bad. But You know what? Men realize that you are a person who believes in facing their fears head on. You have achieved success in your life because you believe in facing your fears head on. You live your life like a boss. You do not let life decide what you're gonna do with it. Like, you know what you're gonna do with it, and how you're gonna live it, because it's your life. That's the spirit, that's the mindset you have. Queen of Cups, you are a emotionally very evolved and mature kind of a person. Very mature, very giving, very nurturing. Somebody who has faced a lot of deficit at one point, a lot of difficulties, and have evolved as a result. Six of Cups, yes, you are known for your humanitarian acts. You are that friend whom people will reach out to when they feel like they need to talk to, or they are going through some emergencies. They know that if you could do something, one last bit of thing, you are somebody who would just do it. Page of Pentacles, when life gives you lemons, make enchanted lemonade. Literally, you are one of those people who can turn your adversities into complete opportunities. Temperance, you are a person, you know what, you are that person who is very wise. A lot of you people tend to, literally, you're very philosophical. You look at life as a teacher, and people tend to look up to you for those life lessons that you have learned from your life. And that is something I can see, like, men literally respect you for what you bring on table. The Cozy Witch, take a chance, for each morning is a new beginning. Literally, you look at each morning as a new, fresh start at your life, a better life for a better tomorrow. You feel like, you know what, I am somebody, like, this is a new day, this is a new sunrise for me. Yes. The Hanged Man, you are a very enlightened person. You are somebody who is enlightened, somebody who has been through a lot of pain, and you have evolved in your pain. You know, you have evolved in your pain. The Chariot, you will never get anywhere if you keep standing still. You know what? You are a person who is very, very, like, you are somebody who is a forward looking person. You have, that's why you don't carry the baggage of your past. Like, no matter what has happened in my past, my past doesn't decide my future. You have that go getter kind of an energy about you, which men really, really love. A very, it doesn't really matter what has happened. My past is not my future, and I'll not let it decide what my future holds for me. That kind of a mindset you have, and men really appreciate that. Eight of Pentacles, sorry, but the fairies aren't going to come to do all the work. You are a workaholic. You have worked your way up the hierarchy. Literally, people notice that, men notice that this is a person who is extremely hardworking. You're probably the hardest working person in the room. Six of Wands, you're also very ambitious, very creative. A lot of you are actually artists. Maybe on the side, maybe you could be a coder by the day, just an example, and a potter by the night, or a musician by the night. And, like, when people discover that facet of yours, maybe you're doing your PhD at the same time you're strumming your guitar at some club at night. That kind of a scenario, when men discover that they are flabbergasted. But you do what you love doing. Six of Wands, you are kind of a big deal, so start acting like it. You are a person, you know what, you are a person who is a big deal. Literally, men feel that you have a lot of potential about you. You are gonna make it really big in this lifetime. You're really gonna blow up. A lot of you actually have social media accounts which are recently blowing up. Two of Wands, you guys are very competitive. Men notice that about you, that this is a person who is extremely driven, very focused, extremely competitive about what they do. And that is something that they appreciate. Like, this is a very competitive person. Yes, the High Priestess, absolutely. A lot of you could be very creative or very spiritual. You know, the spiritual aspect of Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio can also be seen. Like a lot of you probably are tarot readers or astrologers just on the side, and are like a day job is probably for a statistician or a teacher, and on the like side you do astrology. Just saying, like a lot of you have spiritual leanings as well. When in doubt, your first gut feeling is always be trusted. Literally, you are somebody whose gut feelings needs to be trusted like anything. You are somebody who has a very strong gut feeling situation, justice. Stick to your truth and everything will turn out just fine. You are literally, I'm saying you are a feisty, fiery person. Persona is something like you know how to stand your ground. You can never be a pushover, and men really love it. You always tend to stand up against any discrimination happening. A lot of you could be related to the law and law enforcement, like legal, paralegal, police, defense, some relation to those where you can, or maybe an activist, a civil right activist, somebody who is very hell bent about uplifting the society by ridding it off of all the nuisance and menace that are there around us. That is something I can see. The star card, have faith that the healing is in the forecast. You guys have been through a lot, but you guys have healed yourself as well. That is something men notice about you, that this is a person who has evolved, who have come a long, long way in life. Eight of Cups, if your life feels stale, explore some new scenery. You know what? You are an eternal traveler. You are a traveler of life. A lot of you tend to travel around very frequently. Some of you probably even run travel blogs and vlogs. Some of you, literally, you embrace the newness. To embrace the newness, you just hit the road. For a lot of you, that happens very frequently. Yes. Unlock the magic within. Literally, I'm seeing men find you to be very magical. There is something very esoteric, very, something that they can't put their finger on. Very ethereal, very attractive, very magical, but something that they have like no control over. They can't put their finger on. That kind of magical, very otherworldly. You are almost very detached from the mundane things. Yeah, you're very attached to your community work, but you're very detached from the mundane scene of things. Whistle. Be patient, pay attention, and simply observe with your eyes, ears, and physical feelings what is happening inside and all around you. You are somebody who is very patient, very silent, somebody who is a very good observer, somebody, you know what, you are a very quietly observant and intelligent kind of a person, and men compliment you on that as well. Very, you know how to quietly move towards your goals in life. Elk, stand tall and maintain your dignity no matter what, and others will treat you with the respect that you deserve. Literally, I'm seeing you are like this elk, somebody who knows, who is very dignified, very graceful. The way in which you walk, the way in which you conduct yourself, there's something very graceful, very classy about that. Also, you know what? You are somebody who stands tall, you stand out in the crowd, like on your own, with your own right. You don't need others to define you. Show the world the real you. Aquarius can be significant, and you guys are gaining momentum. You're getting more visibility in life. Like earlier, probably people wouldn't see you, like give you that much of importance. Those people who wouldn't give you that much of importance are the ones that are giving you a lot of importance. Villain, you can always rewrite the story. You guys have literally rewritten your life story for sure. Mural, be your own first priority. I'm saying for a lot of you, you guys have become, you have learned to self prioritize, because you have realized that if I do not love myself, then no one else is going to respect me for who I am if I can't stand up for my own self. And men really respect that about. Time for the charms, pile 3. Right. Okay. Firstly, you are a philosopher. You have a very good foresight. That's what men feel. Your time has arrived. Transformation. You guys have been through a lot in life and have changed and moved and transformed. And at last, after going through a lot of pain, your time has arrived. I'm seeing a lot of people wanting to take selfie, a lot of limelight on you. You guys are blowing up. If you're on social media, you guys literally blowing up and becoming celebrities, that kind of a situation. Or people are like literally like telling you nice things, telling literally nice things about you, about your work, about the value that you bring on table. You guys are becoming way more assertive in life, and men complimenting you on that. A lot of men are your admirers are including somebody is offering you their heart. Literally, your admirers, your number of admirers are increasing. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Guys, your support means the world to me. Thank you. Namaste.